Welcome friends, Ratnakar family, Yanurkar family and all the loved ones. We have all gathered here today to celebrate the wedding of Ravi Kiran and Maitreyi. You have come here to offer your love and support to this union and to allow Ravi Kiran and Maitreyi to start their married life together, surrounded by the people dearest and the most important to them. Today, we all gather here in great joy as Ravi Kiran and Maitreyi are making a commitment to love, a commitment to joy, a commitment to be together, and a commitment for life. I want to take a pause here and ask the both of you to go back to the moment you first met, the first real conversation you had. Think of all the good times you have shared, the memories you have created. Think back to the moment when you decided that you were going to get married. And now think back to this morning. Waking up, excited, nervous, thrilled. And now here we are. We know that we don't know what is going to happen next. But at this moment of a wedding, let us commit ourselves to keep forward a little bit. I want to invite the both of you to think forward. Imagine yourself 5 to 10 years from now walking along, perhaps having a dinner at some restaurant. Maybe there are other people in the picture by then. Imagine the life you are going to build together, the family you are going to build, and the home you are going to build together. Think further, but beyond what you can imagine, but only you both can feel. Imagine growing old, holding these hands together. Can you guys imagine that? Can you? Yeah. In that case, will you, Ravi Kiran, take these women, beautiful women, to be your lawfully wedded wife?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, you do. You can, if you have your rings and your vows ready. Vows.
So Maitreyi, this is where I met you. This is where we had our first date. This is where we fell in love. So this is where I want to marry you. I promise you I'll always take care of you, inspire you, challenge you, support you, keep you warm and keep you well fed.
Will you, Maitreyi, take this man, a handsome man, to be your lawfully wedded husband?
I do.
You do. You can have a ring, please.
You know, this is where we met, and I still clearly remember the day I met you, and I think I had fallen for you that day itself, and I can't say how happy I have been to just have you in my life, and I just thank God, stars, everything that I have, and I love you so much, and that will never change.
I love you.
ये तो वही अमेरिकन टाइप का थोड़ा, अब थोड़ा इंडियन स्टाइल भी करते हैं. सो अब वर जी अपनी वधू को मंगलसूत्र पहनाएंगे. माला लाई जाए. दूल्हे की माला लाई जाए. Maitreyi. So lastly, by the power of your love and commitment and the power vested in me by the city of Boston, I now pronounce you husband and wife. And you may now kiss the bride.